Okay, start.
Yeah. Okay, start.
Good evening, judges, and good evening, everyone. We are OSK team, and our project is about TB, tuberculosis patient monitoring management system. And this is our table content. We will present about background and problem and solution and how it works, and also business plan. As our project will work in Cambodia. Cambodia is the lower middle income country, and TB also the top killer in Cambodia. But right now in 2020, since 2021, we move out from the most severe, the more vulnerable country from TB. But still, TB is still the main problem. And one of the main problem of the TB that still happen in Cambodia because of the lack of the treatment monitoring. Like in the words that make it complicated to solve. And like by 2021, over 26,000 patients, TB patients lost drugs that cannot find via them. And we try to solve this problem, and we hope our solution will solve the problem. And by monitor TB patient, by alert TB patient to follow the restriction, and at the same time, TB patient can review the online consultation and also review the educational material. Our project aiming to contribute the SDG by like SDG goal 3, 8, 10, 12, and 16. Our target area focus only in Cambodia, and the target user is TB doctor and TB patient. How it works, our teammate will show it.
Ladies and gentlemen, and my name is Kaisen. Let me introduce you our innovative solution that can tuberculosis and control it. First, it is our registration form where the user can create their own account and profile. And here is our homepage that shows the user friendly that the customer or user can interact and explore everything in our app. So here is the place that the customer can make appointment and see everything in our app and detail the background and make appointment, and it has a schedule that can monitoring the patient to meet the doctor also. And here is some searching bar appointment and notification only. And let's welcome to our chart analytic system. First, our system will automatically chart to alert the customer, and the customer has two choices. First one is scan QR code and entering the code. And if in case the patient forget to take a pill, the system will automatically call the patient to take a pill. Here is some prototype or some example of the package of the pill. I hope you see on our prototype. And also we provide educational content that allow the user to see on the video article, and also the patient can also make a question to ask the doctor to consult for free. So we not forget to create the user profile where can detail the condition of the patient, like blood test, weight, or anything that show that information. So here is the patient information record. That is the doctor role to manage and see the list of the patient, and the doctor can monitor by this information from our application. For our business model, we take the service and provide the service and knowledge to the patient, and bring the value and income to the hospital by in case the customer need to make a consultation online with the doctor, and the doctor need to pay the subscription fee to our application. So our mission to prevent the TB patient healthcare with the excellent service, access and quality, for our vision to become a trustful healthcare partner for the patient to achieve their potential health and well-being across their life. For our module to create a mobile application, we have the first application, affordable, accessible, innovative, spec and quality application. So here is our team and our mentor. Here is some our business model. And for conclusion, the TB patient management system will provide efficiency, accuracy, and overall quality to the TB patient healthcare and fight against the tuberculosis by leveraging the technology control the TB and also contribute to the national TB program. And thank you for our presentation.
Okay, maybe as a mentor, I want to start. Please, questions?
Okay. Questions?
Actually, you can also ask question, maybe. Yeah, you can, please.
What about the silence?
Okay.
What about the privacy?
Private system, private hospital.
Not the privacy of
Privacy.
Okay, about the privacy, we not yet researched on that, but we confidently should keep out the customer data privacy in the secret. Okay.
Yeah, I can tell. Honestly, we haven't reviewed the data protection acts yet, but in Cambodia, these acts already drafted but not enacted yet. Already drafted in Cambodia, but hopefully maybe enacted this year or next year. Yeah.
How do you think the solution is unique actually? If there are many apps around, right? So what do you feel is the unique thing about your application?
So our unit is the alerting system that we automatically alert to the patient to take a pill every day twice, and it has the condition that the patient forgot to take a pill, the system will alert automatically to them, and in case the system will automatically call to the patient or the family of the patient that has been contacted in our system to alert that people that has the TB to take a pill. And after that, the patient needs to verify the code on the packet to make sure that the patient has taken a pill.
This is our uniqueness.
Sorry?
This is our uniqueness product.
Just curious, there is no other similar application that provides that in the market, just to know your competition.
Yeah,
There's no other.
that's how nowadays.
Yeah. They have the application but doesn't work the same. Yeah.
Business model canvas.
Your revenue is mainly from subscription and service fee.
Yes, the revenue comes from that two ways. First one is a subscription fee. So the hospital that use our mobile application need to pay to our system as a subscription fee. And one more way, unconditional, is the patient need to make booking appointment with the doctor for consultation. We also use pay per service also, and we charge around 20% from the revenue.
So what's the biggest benefit for the patient, and what is the biggest, very outstanding benefit for the hospital, and what is the biggest benefit for the doctor or the nurse? There's three parties here.
Thank you for your question. For first, biggest benefit for the patient is make sure the patient did not forget to take a pill every day, and we provided additional content to educate the patient or family patient to know about the condition of tuberculosis. And also we have the online consultation in our platform. For the hospital, they can monitoring and track their patient in the real time. And what more?
For the nurse or the doctor,
And
the person in contact with the patient.
Yeah, for the doctor, they can register to our platform to be a part of our community, and the benefit that they get is when the patient needs the consultation, the doctor can get extra income from the consultation.
And not financial outcome, but the benefit for the medical patient, the medical staff, and also hospital. They can choose patient effectively and efficiently.
One more minute.
So what's the single biggest problem we solve? The biggest problem we solve here.
The biggest problem that is solved is to monitoring the patient and alert the patient to take a pill. If the patient did not take a pill every day, the patient will need to start from the first day and take the medicine from the first day back, and the situation of the patient is will reverse.
But how do you know it's a problem?
We ask research.
You confirm it's a problem. You know it's a problem.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, second on our list. TB care